Welcome to Mostar. Mostar! So, next up, Blagaj. I don't have a lot of battery now, so I'm just kind of taking quick shots. Probably not the best shot to be honest, but yeah, here it is. Hardly. Not a lot of people goes here. Not even tourists, unless you have a guide. First boulder problem. Quite an adventure.
You like the place?
Oh yeah, I love it. Oh, it's more climb. Oh man, I just climbed that thing. It feels like we're climbing, huh? Alef!
With the heel is easier. Right.
Oh, nice.
Oh my god.
That's crazy. Time to swim.
Oh, you're a mermaid. You're working. Yes, you work. Ah, you can actually traverse it. That's just you did use a backpack. Oh. Full fold for you. Full fold.
Right, you're live. All eyes on Clara. Hey!
Just a quick update. So I'm currently in Blagaj here in Bosnia and Herzegovina. I've been here for about 5 days. It's been great so far. I managed to climb quite a lot down there in Blagaj. I mean in the lower area of Blagaj. I'm currently on my way into this sector called Ibra. It's literally behind this hill here. It's my second time here. I was here yesterday until Monday morning and I came back down, and then now Tuesday I'm trying to come back up again to do some more climbing and also to stay there for a few nights because there is a hut. It's a beautiful hut, nice view of the mountains and the crags right next to it. I thought such a great place to be alone, to have a solitary moment, you know, to think things through, my next steps, and also just, you know, kind of a quiet environment. I like the place. It's neat, spacious, especially for one person or two. It's a hut for everybody, so everyone can stay there a night or two. You know, you gotta take care of it and make sure you're not leaving any mess when you leave. I brought a lot of water, 5 liters there, and then 3 bottles of 2 liters each inside the bag, and a lot of food and extra clothing. So I'm kind of struggling to hike up at the moment. So I've done quite a lot already. As you can see, I'm pretty high up. Fantastic climbs. I like it here, especially that place called Ibra. You know, there's like different walls in that sector. It's a lot to try, you know, for beginners and experts. The guy that I was climbing with since Sarajevo, Hernan, is down there at the camp, Eco Center camp. He's volunteering, so you know, he has to kind of allocate his time between that and also his climbing. Hopefully tomorrow he'll come up here and for us to do some climbing. What else? So as you can see in my eyes, I look a little bit tired, but that's because I got bitten here. It's getting better now, but yesterday it was like this. Yeah, it's so bad. I got bitten also here in my hand, and here is still a little bit bloated, as you can see. And where else? Yeah, right there. Something bit me when I was there. I don't know if that was during my stay in the hut overnight, or was it before when I was just sitting in the grass outside. Some people says it might have been one of those crickets, you know, outside that could have bitten me, or some of those little spiders, who knows. But I gotta be careful now. I think my body's trying to do its best to kind of heal it. I'll see. If it gets worse, then I might go to the pharmacy and buy something like an ointment. But I don't think it's going to be that bad, to be honest. I mean, I've been talking quite a lot now on this little update. I'll give you some more updates once I got up there in the next few days. It'll be good. I can't wait. Tonight I'm going to be on my own in that hut, so that's quite exciting. This is actually the first time that I've hiked or trekked, you know, without my bicycle in the trailer in a while, because I used to like hiking. I'm kind of back into it, so I'm enjoying it. I'm enjoying the walk. It's so nice. It's very naturey. Atypical Nomad room tour. So this is a cabin on top of Blagaj by one of the sectors here called Ibra. What I like about this is the design, mainly like the shape of it. It's like a hexagonal. There's a lot of room, very spacious. Although it looks tiny from outside, it's actually pretty big. There's a lot of chairs for everybody to chill and relax. And what I like about it is not only you could choose to sleep on the floor, you could also just pop this down and lay one of the mattress or foams that they provided here. Yeah, it's not really a mattress, but it's a very thick foam, which is good. So there's one there, there's also one there. And not only that, there are also spaces right at the top. As you can see there, you could actually sleep there and have a nice view of the mountain. And another one right here. This is a very nice feature actually for climbers, because you can literally stretch your body just by hanging from down below. In terms of safety, they have this fire hydrant. They have this so that the door doesn't shut loudly. There's lights. It's not working at the moment. No battery. There's another light here. I just replaced the batteries because they weren't working anymore. So this one's really good, very useful. There's a medical kit here for any injuries. They have provided this clock. Again, doesn't work. Some pictures here of the guys who actually volunteered to build this cabin. And I could see one of them already. That's Tarik there. This is how it looked when they were building this. What I like about this is the view right here. So the crags, climbing crags on the left, and I think there's some more of it on that side. By the way, that's what you're looking at, you know, first thing in the morning or sunset. It's so beautiful. So there's plenty of things where you can hang your clothes and gears. They have provided a broom to keep it clean at all times, because there's nobody that comes up here and clean after people. And as you can see here, this is kind of like the easy to follow guidelines. It says keep it clean and tidy, do not use an open flame. So when I'm cooking, I'm just cooking right outside. I don't want to do it inside just in case. I don't quite understand what this is. It looks like it's some kind of a schedule. But anyway, oh, look at the picture here. It's beautiful when they're setting up campfire. They put up lights here. You can actually trek up here from Blagaj. Essentially, you go around the mountains and you go up here. Or you could choose to do the Via Ferrata and hiking through that valley. It's supposed to be quicker if you have the skills to use the Via Ferrata, and also if you have the equipment. And what's so cool about this hut is its proximity to the climbing crags. You can see here right outside, right by the door, there's already a climbing line over here. That's very hard for me, unfortunately. But anyway, that's all climbing, and there's more here on this wall. And right at the back of it, you'd think that this thing is so huge because of its surface, but actually it's quite thin. To this group, thank you very much to all the volunteers who have built this thing here right up the crag at Rebro. Thank you very much. This is very beautiful. Where all around? Oh, there's another side, right? Oh,
the other side is the super easy side, and this one is much harder.
Yeah, I could tell. It's more slabby. Alright, you can come here. I'm out of your way. Come on. That way, that way. Come on. Come on. No, no, don't go back. Jesus. I'm gonna corner them from here. Which line is it?
6 plus.
Oh, the cracks. The first half looks nice.
Yeah.
I'm now going down to the eco camp so that I could help out the guys fix the pathway into the crags. That's going to be tomorrow morning at 8. So I'm gonna head down there tonight, sleep, and then wake up early for that. I've just cleared up the room, make it clean as possible. Thank you again for this wonderful hut, but I shall be back sometime tomorrow in the evening to do more climbing. There's still so many climbing that I haven't done here. As you can see, or not, my quick draws, 4 of them, are still on that line. I haven't been able to climb it yesterday with Hernan, so I'm gonna try come back to it sometime tomorrow or the following day. It's a tricky one because it's a crack climbing. As you can see, there's a lot of cracks. I don't know, I've been thinking about it since last night. It's got to be something to do with the positioning of my body. I think I've got to lean back to the right hand side with my left hand, which is kind of tricky because it's my weak hand. It's going to be interesting. I like to complete this. It's supposed to be 5C, but I reckon it's more than that. It felt to me like 6A or maybe 6A plus. Now I'm kind of waiting a little bit for the sun to kind of die down a little bit, because the heat, so much heat, too hot out there. So I think I should make a move before it gets dark. Sorry, tree. Cuckoo! The dog's a little bit worried. It doesn't look like he wants me to go further up there. Okay, we're going. I was just trying to help him out and he just jumped in here with ease. That's how we're doing it now, huh? Oh, watch out for this. No, don't. So we're checking out a new crag here next or close to Mostar. They've invited us in, some of the locals, so we're here to try some of these climbs. But I heard they're very hard. So the easiest climb starts from 6B apparently, which is right at my limit. So I'm gonna see how much I can do today. But either way, it's gonna be fun. I'm wearing my slippers as usual. Wow, look at that. That's amazing.
Ajde, smiri disanje. Ajde.